Hey everyone, if you're looking for a fast, customizable browser, Vivaldi is a great option. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Vivaldi browser step by step. First, open your current browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Then search for Vivaldi browser in the search bar and open the official website. Next, on the homepage, click the download button. It will automatically detect your operating system like Windows, Mac, or Linux and show the correct version. Now click the download button again to start downloading the installer file. Wait a few moments until the download is complete. Once the file is downloaded, open it from your Downloads folder and run the installer setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. After that, accept the terms and choose your installation settings. Then click Install and wait for the process to finish. So once installation is complete, open Vivaldi browser and you'll see the Welcome Setup screen where you can customize your preferences. Finally, sign in or skip account setup depending on your preference, and you're ready to browse. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully downloaded and installed Vivaldi browser. Now you can enjoy a faster, more customizable browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.